globe. Whoa! Oh, ow.
Whoa, look at that snow blow, eh? Woohoo!
Where is the snow globe?
Whoa!
Oh, good guys! Oh, it's a snow globe. Yeah, do you know what a snow globe is? Yeah.
Are you inside a snow globe? Is that what it feels like?
Yeah.
I know.
We're actually in one.
I know.
Look at this.
I know. Somebody's shaking us all up, eh? No, Trayton, don't throw snow on her face.
Maybe there's a spaceship on the earth.
You love shoveling, David?
It's so easy.
Yeah. Angel's at Alicia's house. She'll be happy to get here and play in the snow too. Oh, look at the geese up there. I don't know if you can see them.
Huh?
The geese.
Don't go far.
Oh, Trayton.
Anthony's skateboard. Well, I did that to me once.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. We'll have a skateboard. And look, Trayton did that.
Okay, I'll come over here. Thank you.
This isn't like thick snow, it's like...
Is it packy like snow? Like, can it pack into snowballs, or is it too fluffy?
Yeah, it's too fluffy. It can't, like...
Oh, yeah. No, it's not good snow to make snowman.
I need camouflage.
You need camouflage.
I don't think you're gonna camouflage. Black and white.
Whoa.
Let's get the roof back.
Be very, very careful. Very careful.
Hey, can we take the snow off my face?
Oh, is there snow on your face? So the kids were out there earlier and they shoveled and it won't stop snowing, and as you see it snowed so much you can barely even find the shovel.
I know where shovels are.
I see them.
Move.
They're buried. I'm trying to stand on the inside because the wind is picked up and it is freezing out there. But I'm going to have to go out there in a few minutes. Is it cold out there, guys?
Nope.
No.
It's actually a real snowstorm.
I know. It's blowing like crazy, eh?
Where?
What do you mean where? It's all over your face. Look at your scarf. It's already covered in snow.
Let's see. I can see it.
Yeah.
I see 100 on there.
Yeah. Angel and Gabby got to play out in the snow a little bit at Alicia's house, but I don't think they got to play with their shovels. So hopefully then when she gets back, she'll be excited. She can play with her shovel. Careful for Nova. I don't want the snow landing on Nova.
Next of all, already, I'm getting people. Flip it. There's more snow down there. Should we go down there? Yeah.
Okay, play nice. Okay, give me your truck. Oh, careful with your trucks.
Look, we're covering your snow, right? Yeah. And you have your snow, right? See, we're covering us with snow, right? No, Triton, you do first there, I do all of the rest.
Davy's always the first one out in the snow and the last one to come in. He loves the snow. You.
Yep.
But they'll all come in. Their little hands will be all frozen and red, except for David. David's hands will be all still nice and warm and sweaty. He's got a lot of body heat. Well, I don't know where it is. Where'd you put it?
No, it's right there. Go right there.
I don't see no shovel.
No, I'll show you.
No, you can't. You're all wet and it's full of snow.
No, it's right here. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. Move over.
So Nova's already went inside. She gets cold super fast. She's going to strip down and she'll probably sit on the heating vent for a while.
Huh?
I said she's going to sit on the heater for a while. Your cheeks are red though, Davy. You and Trayton. Oh, the snow is blowing all over me.
Oh, you want it?
No, don't throw snow.
Look.
It is so cold. But it's not bad. It's just that wind. Tomorrow's supposed to be really windy. We're supposed to have blowing snow. So
My back is going to get cold.
your back's gonna get cold.
Guard system in my fence. Guard. I'm Bumblebee.
No, don't do that, Trayton.
Boy.
Because you'll break the shovels and it's Angel's and she hasn't even got to use it yet.
It's funny.
Yeah.
It's funny. For forever. No, I'm trying to make a road.
Make roads, yeah. Did you try to eat it?
Why?
That's alright. It's fresh snow.
What if the cats peed in it?
The cats aren't even out here, honey.
Do cats pee out here?
Yeah. But the cats,
Where does it pee?
they go over there, but you don't know. You never know where they'll pee, but it'll be yellow. If the snow's yellow, you don't eat yellow snow.
Let's make a road.
Nova's watching the kids play from on the inside of the house. Where she's sitting on the heating vent. Which I told you, she's going to sit on the heater to keep warm. She's like, I'll just watch them from the inside. It's too cold. Oh my goodness, it's so windy out here. And as you see, Davy wants to do the shoveling, so he's out here trying to shovel the walk for Papa before Papa gets home with Grandma. So, whoo! The wind is like blowing, and that's what's really cold. Oh. Good job.
This is what I like to do.
Yeah. Good job. Whew.
I like pushing.
Yeah.
Oh, come stand there.
I see how deep it is, yeah.
It's 12 feet, I think.
It's 12 feet. Oh, you're so silly. Papa's going to be so proud of you.
How?
Because Grandma is, yes. Careful you don't hit Chris's car, okay? Make sure you don't hit Chris's car with the shovel. Because he doesn't want to get the car hit with the shovel. You want Mama to do it? Do you want me to do it?
I got this far.
Yeah, I know you got that far. I can do it. Oh, is that Papa?
Huh?
Is that Papa? Yep, there's Papa. He might help you shovel. Okay, are you shoveling now?
Yep.
Okay, no, you gotta throw it over there. Okay. No, okay, come on. Whew. Come on. 1 minute. It's so cold. Oh, awesome job. Okay, you about ready? Oh, the wind is blowing. Woo. Oh, I know. Come on.